I'm trying to reattach your darn head.
Yeah, well, it got blown off protecting your rusty bolts from that craggy Mike Slater.
My bolts aren't rusty. They just haven't been used in a while.
Ratchet! Are you okay?
No. He's gone. Clank's gone. Why didn't I just listen to him? He was right. He's always right. I should have destroyed that thing while I had a chance. Huh?
Hello, Ratchet.
Clank?
I am glad you are okay.
Yeah, me too. I mean, you too,
Ratchet.
I hate to interrupt, but my senses indicate a Cragmite armada rapidly approaching Meridian City.
That's a capital. Ratchet, you need to get there as soon as information. I'll make sure as soon as repair crime.
Whoa. Oof. Let's go, buddy.